Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the Snapchat score very fast in iOS and Android platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right now I have a 853 the Snapchat score. Now what we have to do, we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and update the Snapchat app from the App Store. After the update, we have to launch Snapchat. Then tap plus and tap multi snaps. Take the multi snaps. Then tap edit and send and tap send to. Here we have to select the contacts as much as possible that you can. This is the super crazy trick to get the Snapchat score very fast. Now tap send. After that, we have to force close the Snapchat app and wait for a couple of minutes. Now launch Snapchat app again. Tap on your profile. Refresh. Here we see, now I have a Snapchat score 883. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.